Jesus brought a new doctrine. It is the doctrine of authority. Look, I submit to you that in redemption, not only did Jesus come to redeem man, he came to redeem an element, a missing element. Luke chapter 19 and verse 10, the Bible says that I have come to restore that which was lost, not he who was lost. There was an element that was missing. I gave it to Adam, but he along the way got missing. So not only have I come to restore Adam, I've come to restore that thing. What is the thing that you came to get back? It's called authority. The ability to exercise influence and power over the devil and all his works. That is what he came to restore.